Hi and welcome to Wahl, Australia. Today I'm going to show you everything you're going to get when you purchase the new 8000cc clipper and how it's going to help when you actually go to cut your hair. So let's talk about the clipper first. You're going to notice something unique here. We have our smart LCD screen. So this clipper has a 2.5 hour runtime off of a 60-minute charge time. So when I turn this on, I'm gonna see that there's a number there. So it could be 89, it could be 52, it could be 16. What that actually means is it's the percentage of the battery life that's left off of that 2.5 hour runtime. So it gives us a really good idea of how much life is left in it. The other thing the LCD screen does is that if the clipper is about to die, it'll actually give you a noise notification that you need to charge it. And because this is a cordless, don't worry if it is gonna die and you've just taken a big strip out of your hair and you look awful or not quite good. You can plug it in and use it as a cordless clipper. So there's a lot of variety in terms of how you can use this. The other thing the LCD screen is gonna do is it's gonna let you know if you need to be oiling and cleaning and maintaining. So it'll give you a lot of different noise notifications and you can simply just look on the screen and you'll see what it's prompting you to do. So really useful to have. As I mentioned, 2.5 hour runtime after a 60-minute charge time. The first time you open it up and you get it, make sure you charge it for 3 to 5 hours just to fully charge that lithium battery, and then you can use it for a little or as long as you like, and it's always going to revert back to that 2.5 hours. Now, strong rotary motor in here that offers over 6,000 RPM, so it's really powerful, really easy to use, and strong enough to go through even the thickest hair. Another nice feature too when we are cutting is that unlike traditional clippers that have your taper lever on the side, this actually has an adjustable blade with the tab on the back. So what this allows us to do is go from a 0.7 to 3 millimeters in length. So a lot of creativity just on the blade. Now, if you want a longer length or you want to do a different style and maybe some tapering and blending, we've got you covered. So you get your standard 1 through 4 guide combs, but you're also going to get your half and your 1.5. So a lot of variety in terms of how you want to go about it. Another nice thing with all of these guide combs is that these are actually reinforced. So one, they're gonna slide on nice and easily, but two, these are about 35% stronger than our traditional guide combs, which means you're gonna have more durability in there when you go to cut, and it's gonna give you a more consistent cut. The other thing we've done here is we've actually have shorter teeth on it, so it gives you greater visibility of when you're cutting the hair, which again is gonna allow you to have a more efficient cut and a little bit more control over your cut when you're working on it. So really nice improvement here. Now, this comes with the charging base. Looks awesome, works really well. You don't have to worry about having your clipper out on the shelf anymore or on the countertop. Simply put it in the charging base, you're gonna be ready to go. As I mentioned, the clipper is cordless, so if you're using it and it does die, you're simply just gonna unplug the transformer from the back and you're gonna plug it straight into the clipper. So really helpful to have, really easy to use. In addition to all of these, not to overlook, but we also have a cleaning brush and the oil. Really easy to overlook this, but this is the best thing you can do for your clipper. So when you are finished, brush out any loose hair, couple drops, 1, 2, 3, have the clipper running with the oil, let it work its way through, turn it off, wipe off any excess. If you want to be really thorough, this clipper and the blade simply snap on and snap off. So you can clean out any loose hair, whether it's in the housing or on the blade itself. To put it back, rock it from the back to the front and it'll lock into position. So this is everything you're gonna get and the features and the benefits that you get with the 8000cc. And know that we've been doing this for over 102 years. So when you reach for our products, you can trust that with that 102 years, there's a lot of innovation and experience behind these products. So they're gonna work for you each and every time.